On the shore of the Bay of Bengal in the 13th century, King Narasimhadeva of Orissa built at Konark a temple for the sun god. Of the main shrine, only the Jagmohan or assembly hall remains. It gives us an idea of the immensity of the entire structure and the beauty of its concept. This film takes us around the temple exactly as the pilgrims of old performed circumambulation before viewing the enshrined deity, the sun. On India's east coast, man waits for the rising sun, chanting a prayer that has remained unchanged since Vedic times. It is in praise of the sun god, source of the energy that creates life and bestows life equally to all beings. As night dissolves in the light of day, the trek of pilgrims begins. They make their way on foot and on bullock cart to the mighty temple of Konark, which embodies the sun's radiance. Pilgrims have arrived. They rest only to prepare themselves for the entry into the shrine. Above the main door were once these 9 planets. They blessed the pilgrim and ensured a long life to the temple. Benign and fierce, good and evil, they are the masters of time and space, the molders